Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can install Git on your Windows 11. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So after opening the browser, go to the search bar right here and start typing git-scm.com. Just like this, after you have typed that down, tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Git. Here you can see this is the official website, and in here scroll down, you can see the option of download for Windows. Click on this option. So in here you can simply just click on the option, click here to download right here. After doing so, here you can see the download process has begun right here. And after the completion of your download process, you have to now open your file explorer and then go to the downloads. And in here you can see this is the file that Git was downloaded to. Simply just double click in it in order to open it. After double clicking on it, here you can get a pop-up. You can simply just click on yes. Since it won't be recorded on screen record, you can't really see it. So simply just click on yes. And you will be getting this kind of pop-up. All you have to do is click on next. And this is the location that Git will be installed on. You can simply just change it by clicking on this option, browse right here, and put it wherever you want. For now, I'm going to leave it on program files. So I'm going to click on OK and then click on next. So after doing so, again, click on next. Again, click on next. And you have to keep on clicking on next. You can put this all in defaults as it is. So simply just click on next. And just like this, here you can see now the extraction of files has begun. And shortly after, Git will be installed on your computer. Just like this, here you can see Git has been set up and all you have to do is click on finish. And like this, Git has been installed on your computer. You can simply just go on the search bar right here and start typing Git. And here you can see this is the Git and you can simply just open it. And here you can see Git has successfully been installed on your computer. And just like this, you can install Git on your Windows 11. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.